We're standing out on our block of land at Smeaton. We've owned this block of land since 2016. It's now 2021, and finally, after many design revisions, after numerous amendments to our planning permit, we're finally ready to start building. So I'm just meeting the builder out here this afternoon, getting ready to peg out the corners of the house and ready for excavation to happen in the next couple of weeks. So I want to document the process of building the house, give you a bit of an insight into what goes on, just looking forward to a bit of first-hand experience after having helped other people go through the process of building many times over, but this will be the first time doing it for ourselves. So it should be interesting. It's not going to be a grand design, but we're at a beautiful property. We've got 3 acres here out at Smeaton. We do have a bit of a slope, so there's a few challenges with the build, but we've got a north-facing view. There's a lot of things quite ideal to be able to build a passive solar house here. So it's going to be quite an energy efficient home, as well as capturing great views and a lot of light. Just really looking forward to being out in the country again, having the peace and quiet, really enjoying the sustainable, self-sufficient lifestyle.